This could be the vehicle you're looking for. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 4-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. The features include tow hitch, alloy rims, power mirrors, anti-lock brakes, privacy glass. Inside you'll find an adjustable tilt steering wheel, cruise control, split rear seats, air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.